The controversial preacher Emmanuel Makandiwa has issued a stark warning about President Emmerson Mnangagwa's 2030 agenda, stating that those pushing the vision lack foresight. Sanabina mashoko ataona kuti panguva ino yavana Makandiwa vopredicta the for him tungamirira wenyika yeZimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell kuti mina munomudanyi pamuchenzi. Makandiwa's remarks were captured in a viral video circulating on social media, where he criticized the long-term vision as impractical and detached from Zimbabwe's current political and economic realities. His prediction follows another prophetic warning last week by Prophet Ian Lovo, who suggested that the coup could unfold before the end of the next month. There is growing speculation about the deepening power struggles between Mnangagwa and his deputy, VP Chiwenga. The poll suggested that a faction of high-ranking security officials and war veterans convened a clandestine meeting this week to strategize on countering Mnangagwa's attempts to extend his rule through the ED 2030 agenda. In his video, Lovo issued an ominous statement: "We must continue to pray for our nation. Two trains are set to collide. I personally pray for peace for all ordinary Zimbabweans, but change must not be stopped in whatsoever form it needs to come." The intensifying political rift echoes past conflicts within Zimbabwe's ruling elite. Thomas Kononokot ayo vakomana panguva ino vachiprofesaya vataura mashoko atikuona kuti they are now predicting the fall of ED Mnangagwa. Panguva ino kunyatsoona kuti vanhu nemaevents ari kuitika, they are now seeing kuti aiwa hakusina kwazvakusvika, nyika yakuenda kumawere. It is now the end yavakomana zvigananda vari kuona kunzi they are funneling mastate funds. Tudze mavhunguro edu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitu ichi. Ina comment section medu, subscribe, like, chinotaura mabell icon.